Should I just jump right into it? Okay, let's go. And down.
Wait, did you? You're gonna tell them.
Okay, like what the heck do I say?
Hey PCBs, it's Zong and Emmeline, and today we're back for another workout video. Today's video is brought to you by Liquid IV, and we're gonna be doing an intense cardio dance workout.
Thanks for joining us. Yeah, today we're gonna be doing some hip hop style and cardio workouts, so it should be fun. And so put some comfy clothes on and let's get going.
Woo. The first thing we're gonna start with today is a plie, so bend knees, and we're gonna reach down to our left and right. Nice. Now reach down really far and keep your abs engaged and add a little bit of a bounce in there. Nice. We're just gonna start with these kind of simple moves, nothing too wild, to get our blood pumping a bit. And now we're gonna move to the center right here. Reach and reach. Feel the twist in your torso and look where your hands are going. Nice. Keep your plie or your bent knees as deep as is comfortable. No need to push yourself too much yet. And breathe. How y'all feeling today?
Tired already.
Tired already? Okay, well sometimes we're gonna go up now, reach up. Bend the knees a little bit less, but make sure to go through plie in the center. Sometimes getting your blood moving and moving a bit will actually end up giving you more energy for the day. Remember to look where you're reaching and keep that bounce. I really recommend putting on some music that's fun, maybe some Beyonce, whatever you love to listen to that really makes you feel great and has a good beat.
Some hip hop.
Yes. All right, in the center, we're going to come up, reach up, and body roll all the way down into engaging your abs right here. Awesome, in a plie. So reach up, body roll, sit into it, nice. Sit.
Girl, you're killing my
Nice.
quads. My thighs.
Woo! And we're gonna reverse now. So reach down and body roll. Down, body roll. Nice. And up. A few more. And down, and up, and down. Way to go. So now we're gonna step to the right. You doing okay? All right, right, together, close, left, together, close. Awesome. This is the intro step to doing a turn, which we'll do later. And really add that bounce in your step, keeping your abs engaged and moving your arms with it. Way to go. And up and down. Nice work, everyone. What do you guys like to listen to when you're working out? What makes you feel fabulous? Comment below. Way to go. Okay, so now we're going to do high knees like this. Awesome. If you want more of a challenge, go double time. Or if you're still working it up, go half time. Awesome. Or the modification right here where you don't need to jump at all. One song I love doing this to is Countdown by Beyonce. Give it a listen. Like just hearing the beginning makes me want to like get up and dance like crazy. All right, jumping jacks. Woo! If you're still with us, way to go. You got this. Don't worry, take a break whenever you need it. Just a few more. Woo! Okay, now shake it out if you need to. A few deep breaths. We're gonna take a quick break. This is pretty much a non-stop video, but make sure to rehydrate.
It's really important to stay hydrated when you're doing workouts, especially cardio. You're losing a lot of liquid through sweat and etc.
So one of these Liquid IV electrolyte packets is equal to 2 to 3 bottles of water. There's no preservatives, artificial sweeteners, or color in here.
Yeah, there's like 3 times as many electrolytes also as in a traditional sports drink.
All All right, so drink up, guys.
Cheers.
Back to working out.
Yeah. All right, water break done. Way to go. Wherever you are, keep going. So next we're going to bring our hands to the left of us, and we're gonna lift our right leg to bring the knee and hands together. Here. And crunch your abs when you come in. And if you want an even bigger challenge, then reach up. Make the extension bigger on the way up, and really bring it in with fists on the way down, really crunching your abs and arching your back a bit. Way to go. And the other way, so reach to the right, yes. And less of a challenge, don't worry. You can do less of a plie, just bringing the knee up, or holding onto a chair for some balance. If not, really reach and bring it in. Tense your arms and knee, way to go. And now we're gonna come to the center. We're gonna bring the right knee and circle it in front of us. Nice, opening it up. Left, right, and left. And way to go. Breathe through it, woo. And now we're gonna add a plie for a little bit more movement. Plie, lift it. Plie in between, awesome. Okay, good job. You wanna add a booty pop in there in the middle? You can. Pop. Just for fun, up to you. And keep on plieing. Way to go. Okay, we're gonna come to high knees one more time. Keep on going, you got this. For more of a challenge, go double time and breathe through it.
Modification over here.
Way to go. Whatever works for you, especially if you have neighbors below you, they might appreciate the modification. All right, and now we're gonna do the 3 steps to the side again, only with the turn if you want. So we're gonna go side, turn, side, close. Side, turn, close. Right, turn, right, close. Right, turn, close. Turn, close. Awesome job. For more of a challenge, plie on the clap and side, plie. So right, turn behind, right, close. Left, turn behind, left, close. Right, step behind. Yes, you got it. Once you get the hang of it, it comes so naturally, don't worry. And left, right, step behind, right, close. Don't worry, I know sometimes it could be like a foot tongue twister, a foot twister the first few times, but you'll get it, don't worry. Left, behind, left, close. Right, behind. Yes, you got it. Behind, yes. Every step is a step. That didn't make sense. Okay. Every count, you're just stepping forward, except you're turning behind yourself on the middle ones. Is this making sense? All right, so stand with your legs open, and we're going to reach to the side of us with one arm diagonally, and we're gonna pull, bringing your hip out, awesome. And then all the way, yes. To the right side, left arm, pull, and down, and pull, and down, switch, pull, and down. Really sit into your hips every time you go through it, and really reach with your arm, and down, and pull, and down, pull, and down. The deeper plie you go in your legs, the more of a challenge it's gonna be for you. And I hope you listen to some good music, so you could just dance this out. And side, and side, and side. Really try to hit every single movement and make it full out. Way to go. And side. One more. And now we're going to go back to our jumping jacks. Almost done. How y'all doing? Woo! And a few more. You almost got it. Way to go. Okay, now we're gonna do some cool down. So we're going to do what we started with. The opposite. Body roll through, come down, sit into it, body roll. And through. Now really take some deep breaths here and open up your whole body. And other side, come up, way to go, yes. And come through, sitting in it. And breathe. Bring your arms up over your head, stretch it to the side. And the other side. Open behind you. And reach down. And come up.
All right, I'm super tired. I definitely got my blood pumping. I hope you guys did too.
Thanks for joining us for our cardio dance workout. Hope you had fun and got some exercise.
And we will see you guys soon. Bye.
Bye.